Have you ever noticed that the moment production slows down, the first reaction is, let's add more people. But instead of speeding things up, the delays often get worse. Why does that happen? Hi, I am Shrikant Prabhudesai. I work with business owners in the manufacturing space, helping them solve challenges in delivery, cost, and time without unnecessary firefighting. Let's break this down. Adding more people feels like the easiest solution. More hands, more output, right? But in reality, production doesn't work like a simple math equation. When you suddenly push new people into an already stressed system, three things happen usually. First, your experienced workers now spend time training the new ones instead of focusing on their own work. That slows things down initially. Second, more people mean more coordination, communication gaps, overlapping responsibilities, and confusion about who does what. These issues eat into valuable production time. And third, if your bottleneck is not manpower but a process, machine capacity, or even poor planning, then no matter how many people you add, production won't move faster. It's like pouring more cars into a traffic jam. The road is still the same width. What actually speeds up production is identifying the real constraint. Sometimes it's a scheduling issue, sometimes it's a machine that needs maintenance, and sometimes it's simply a lack of standardized processes. Once you solve that, even the same number of people can deliver far more. So, the next time you feel tempted to add more people, pause and ask, where is the real bottleneck? Solve that first and you will find your existing team can often deliver more than you ever thought was possible.